Hi, good morning. So, today we are going to discuss about GATE question paper 2000 related to analog electronics. The topic is operational amplifiers. So, look at the circuit diagram given. See the question. If the operational amplifier in the figure has an input offset voltage of 5 millivolts and an open loop gain of 10,000, what will be the output voltage? So this is a circuit diagram. The options are 0 volts, 5 millivolts, plus 5 volts, plus 15 volts, minus 15 volts, or plus 50 volts or minus 50 volts. So from a given problem, what is meant by input offset voltage? So even though you are not applying any input voltage, so the non-inverting terminal and inverting terminal are grounded here from the circuit, but there is some amount of input voltage is present, that is 5 millivolts. So what is meant by input offset voltage means, even though you are not connecting any input voltage across the inverting and non-inverting terminal, some terminal voltage is some input voltage appear across the operational amplifier due to internal operational amplifier differential amplifier circuit and imbalance of transistor differential amplifier configuration. Some voltage is present. That voltage we can call it as the input offset voltage. So it was given as 5 millivolts. So if you want to find out the output voltage V0, what is the formula? General equation is V0 is equal to gain times of VID. What is VID? Difference between the two input terminals. The output of the operational amplifier is always gain times of difference between the two input voltages. But here there is no input voltage given, but some amount of input offset voltage is presented as it is 5 millivolts. Okay, here that VID is equal to VIO. So always the VIO is the difference between the modulus value of inverting and non-inverting terminals. So the VID or VIO is equal to 5 millivolts. So how to find out the V0 is gain times of VIO. So VIO is nothing but 5 volts. So 10,000 into 5 millivolts, that is 50 millivolts. But here 50 millivolts, here the option is there, but it is wrong. Why it is wrong? So here the output voltage is always limited in operational amplifier, limited to power supply voltage. Even though it exceeds the power supply voltage, it always limited to power supply voltage. It always swings from plus 15 to minus 15. So with this limitation, the output voltage, even though it is 50 millivolts, but it always swings from plus 15 to minus 15. So the right option for this question is plus 15 volts to minus 15 volts. So this is the right option.